Welcome to my fourth video on how I close my ideal client. This is video number 4 and touch point number 4, where we essentially had one more follow-up one-on-one conversation that covered a few more specifics on the proposal that I sent him. Now, this fourth touch point where I actually closed the client, I had already created a few documents for him. In particular, I gave him a roadmap that had details with the objectives and some of the goals that we had essentially settled on, and some of my own that I thought would be useful that he was in line with. That was basically mapped out over the length of our arrangement. In this case, it was a longer term, so it was a year on that roadmap, as well as a 90-day actionable plan that talked about what's going to happen in month 1, month 2, and month 3, and sort of the theme around each month. And we specifically went through both of those documents. And within the documents I sent as well were the agreement, invoicing, that kind of stuff. But I want to really focus on these two critical pieces that was the roadmap and the 90-day plan, because we went through those and it was sort of a back and forth in one meeting, but it was back and forth. What do you think about this? This is what I'm proposing here. Do you want to do this? Do you want to do that? Is this useful? Is this not? And we kind of looked through his data and some of his clientele and such to compare notes and see what would fit and what might not fit and make some adjustments here and there. These are really crucial things to go through in the closing process to make sure everybody's aligned and on the same page and you're moving forward clearly and quickly and in a way that is very credible. I talk a lot about that. So you make sure you're delivering for your client. So these are some of the things that we went through. The 90-day was the bigger piece because it's how you really get going in the entire arrangement. And once you get going, I think everybody pretty much knows you establish a rhythm and things are pretty good, but it's really how you start those first 90 days that are really crucial. But this is how I closed him. And then I've actually got a few short videos that I talk about specific ways to close a client and things you can say if you're struggling with those. I'll try to link to those, but feel free to message me directly for any kind of ideas or approaches that I've used in the past or what I found really good traction with, or if you'd like to talk about some of the details on the documents I do send to my clients when I'm in the process of closing them, I'd be more than happy to share those with you and see if I can't help you tweak yours as well. Thank you for watching.